Hey guys, welcome to How to Zone, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to fix iPhone front camera not working. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, try to restart your application, so your camera application and your phone itself. And if that is not the case, remove any case or screen protector that may be covering the lens and clean the lens with a microfiber cloth. Also try to switch between the front and the back constantly, so just like that. And it should go ahead and refresh it. And if your iOS is also not updated, make sure to go ahead and update it from your settings. So simply tap on settings, general, and click on software update and make sure that it is up to date. Finally, the last thing you can do is on general, click on transfer or reset, click on reset and click on reset or settings. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.